to unboxing cat food. It's Holden's food. I'm going to unboxing this. Hopefully it will be easier than what I thought. Okay, start to unseal. Okay, it's hard to read this without any damage. Kayaknya susah ya. Ya udah lah ya. Ya udah lah, gak apa-apa. Fail dikit lah, gak apa-apa. I'm not a blogger anyway. So okay. I'm doing this with one hand. Okay. How exactly this? Wait. Ah. Here. It's still hard and I haven't opened this. Okay. Here we go. Wait. Ini akan lebih gampang dengan tangan dua sih. Blocking. Okay. Oke, buang. Tada! Mirip Holden. Okay, this one is it's unimportant. So we have to open this. Yeah. Oh, ini makanan basahnya, ini makanan KW. Dapat 2. Not bad. Thank you, stars. Actually, Holden is not eating this product. He's